In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix bad audio using Adobe Premiere Pro's AI-powered Enhance Speech tool, so it sounds cleaner, fuller, and much more professional. Hi and welcome back to DIY Film with Merle Becker, the channel where I help you make better videos. Alright, if you've ever recorded audio on a Zoom H4N, you know it usually sounds pretty good. But sometimes you end up recording in a room that's too echoey. Your microphone is too far away, or the audio just sounds thin and lifeless. The good news is Adobe Premiere Pro has an AI-powered tool that can dramatically improve dialogue without needing a bunch of complicated audio plugins. It's called Enhance Speech. So let's dive in. I'm working in Premiere version 26.2.2, so if yours is older or newer, things might look slightly different. First, create a new project and import your footage into Premiere by clicking in the gray area here. Then drag your audio clip to your timeline so it creates a new sequence. Rename your sequence before you get too far. Now select the clip that contains your Zoom H4N audio. Learn how to easily improve voice recordings using Enhance Speech with a single click, powered by AI. Now go to the Essential Sound panel. If you don't see the Essential Sound panel, go to Window and make sure there's a check mark by Essential Sound. Now, with your clip selected, click Dialogue. This tells Premiere that you're working with spoken audio. Next, scroll down until you see Enhance Speech. Turn it on. Premiere will begin analyzing your dialogue using Adobe's AI speech enhancement technology. Depending on the length of your clip, this usually takes a few minutes. Play it down and you should notice that the dialogue sounds much clearer. Learn how to easily improve voice recordings using Enhance Speech with a single click. Learn how to easily improve voice recordings using Enhance Speech with a single click. And there you go. The AI reconstructs missing vocal frequencies, reduces room echo, and helps bring the voice forward in the mix. Pretty impressive. Now, don't make the mistake of simply sliding the amount slider all the way up to 100. In many cases, that can make the voice sound over-processed or artificial. Instead, I usually start somewhere between 40 and 60%, and then I adjust it from there. The goal is to improve clarity while still keeping the natural character of the original recording. If the processed version sounds too synthetic, simply back the amount slider down until it feels natural again. And sometimes a blend of the original recording and the enhanced version sounds better. And here's one more quick tip. Enhanced Speech works best when you're trying to improve dialogue. It isn't designed for music, sound effects, or ambient recordings. So only apply it to the clips that actually contain speech. Sound good? No pun intended. By the way, if you're new to Zoom H4N and you need a quick starter video, check out my How to Set Up and Use Your Zoom H4N video. I'll link that in the description. And for those of you who are new to Premiere and you don't know how to export your file once you've fixed it, I'll also link my How to Export a Video in Adobe Premiere video in the description. Just make sure you choose WAV or MP3 instead of H.264. Alright, have you tried Adobe's Enhance Speech tool yet? If so, let us know how it worked out in the comments. And as always, if you found any of this to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you know when the next one is posted. And I will catch you next time.